In this video, I will show you how to verify crypto on Robinhood. It is very easy to do. Just make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's start. So to verify crypto on Robinhood, you need to complete their crypto account verification process. This is required before you can buy, sell or transfer crypto on the platform. So here's how you can do it. First, log in your Robinhood account. You can open Robinhood app or go to the Robinhood website and log in using your username and password. Then need to start the crypto verification process. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of app, then go to the settings and under the crypto transfers tap on enable crypto trading or the verify option. Now you need to submit identification informations, so such as your personal details like your full legal name, date of birth, SSN number, residential address, and you also need to upload a government issued photo IDs such as driving license, passport or state ID. Ensure that photo is clear and with the all information is legible. Now you need to take a selfie. Robinhood may ask you to take a selfie to match your ID photo. Follow the on-screen instruction to upload the selfie. Now you need to wait for the verification approval. After submitting your information, Robinhood will review it. This process usually take a few minutes to couple of hours, but in some cases it can take up to the 24 hours. You will receive a notification or email confirmation once your account is verified. So the sixth step you need to do is enable crypto or transfer. So if you want to receive or send crypto outside of your Robinhood, you must enable crypto transfer. You need to go to the settings and crypto transfers, then follow the additional prompt to verify your identity if needed. Then you can check the verification status. To confirm you are verified, you need to go to the settings, then crypto section, and ensure it says verified or the crypto transfer enabled. So that is how you can verify crypto on Robinhood. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.